along so that we don't get stuck in rush hour leaving here this afternoon. Our next presentation will be delivered remotely via WebEx by a team of Health Canada officials who will be speaking on reporting of foreign safety actions to Health Canada. So if you can all please welcome via WebEx Bruce Wozni, who's the Senior Policy Advisor for the Marketing Health Products Directorate, and from the Regulatory Operations and Enforcement Branch, or ROB, Calvin Chung, as well as Ian Elliott. So they will be presenting via WebEx. So Bruce, I'll hand it over to you if you can hear me now.
Yes, I can. Thank you very much. Can you hear me?
We can. Thank you.
Okay, great. First of all, please accept our apologies for the delay. Let's just say we had an emergency at this end, and we do appreciate your patience. I want to thank you all for not only your interest in this subject, but also I would imagine that many of you in the room contributed also to the development of the guidance document and the online reporting tool during the consultation period. And for those of you who were involved, I do thank you. May we have the next slide, please? So while we're waiting for the slide to change, I wanted to present to you, just give you an outline of what we're going to say today. We're going to talk a little bit about the regulations and the guidance document. We're going to be talking about our approach to good vigilance practice inspections. We're also going to respond to some questions that were identified as being of interest, specifically to this group, which have to do with good manufacturing practices and how that relates, recall and quality issues, and product safety and vigilance. We'll be giving you some, a little bit about who's responsible for what, and also some contact information. And there will also be time at the end for questions and answers. Next slide, please. So the regulations were published in Canada Gazette in May of 2018, and they came into force, were implemented in November of 2018. We're talking here about the Food and Drug Regulations, section C010501 through 6, and many of you will, of course, have read through this and been familiar with it, we're presuming. The intent of the regulations is to improve the collection and assessment of new relevant safety information relating to serious risk of injury to human health. This is relating to actions taken